Bear with me on the mess here, guys, but next project I'm tackling here, I got a rental house, and it's actually my grandfather's house, and this was where the washer and dryer was. Definitely needs an update. Had some paint peeling, you know, off the walls and stuff like that. So I'd already gone through, I found an old can of paint, touched it up a bit, and now I just got this Grayco Magnum Project Painter Plus. It's the do-it-yourself series, and the goal here is to paint everything. I want to paint all the walls, all of the shelving units. I mean, we've got everything here. The ceiling, maybe back in the little bathroom he's got back there, and then like all of this shelving area. Sorry, it's a bit dark. And then I'm gonna work my way into the basement. But as you can see, here was the old carpet he had down here. So I've taken that up, gonna get some epoxy for the floors. But for today, goal is to get this painting done. Guys, this sprayer is a game changer so long as you don't care about overspray. And in this basement, I don't care about overspray. And this thing is incredible. First time ever using a sprayer, so I know I'm kind of biased here. But I mean, to be able to get up into like all of the little nooks and crannies, coat everything. This took about 45 minutes. I was, you know, kind of getting used to it. You know, inside all of the closets. I didn't do the bottom one, but all back in the back. I mean, 45 minutes to do all of this. There's no way you could roll or use a brush to do all of this. So very happy so far with this Grayco series. I'm gonna go upstairs now and work on a bedroom. All right, everybody, moved up into the upstairs bedroom. I've already kind of got started just to see what it would look like. And now you can kind of see the color difference. There's the white, there's the old. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little demonstration of how this sprayer works. And there you have it. 2 minutes, 30 seconds, and just painted basically this entire wall. So, very pleased for the first time having a sprayer. Works great. Just try and stay even with the coats. I know I kind of went in and out, but as long as you've got a nice even coat on there, it turns out really nice.